Do you have a big family, but maybe not a big budget? Well, I've got the perfect house for you on the northwest side of Fort Worth for under $400,000 with 5 bedrooms. I'm Debbie Byrne. Let's go take a look. Okay, y'all are gonna love this one. It is over 3,200 square feet. It is in Marine Creek Meadows neighborhood, which is right next to Lake Worth in Fort Worth. And it's got Marine Creek Reservoir right in the neighborhood with all these beautiful trails maintained by the city of Fort Worth. Okay, welcome into this house. We've got a lovely large entryway that goes right up to the stairs, a big chandelier up there. And right when you walk in, there is the first living room. This house has 2 living rooms. This is the first one. It's pretty big. Then we walk into this really large dining room. Hello. Flows right into the dining room, which flows into the breakfast room and kitchen. Everything feels very open here, but then still gives you divided space, which I love. Beautiful new countertops, nice wood cabinets, refrigerator included, a pantry right in the kitchen, electric oven range. I did not walk outside, but there's a little patio out there, a pretty decent sized yard with several trees. Trees that are alive, by the way, because I raked many leaves this week. Okay, this is a second living room with a fireplace. I love this one. Feels very cozy. Okay, and then right here is the office or 5th bedroom. So it's got a huge closet. This is technically the 5th bedroom. There is another room upstairs that could be an office or a 5th bedroom. But this is technically, could be a bedroom because it's got the closet and there's a full bath down here. So we're gonna walk around the stairs, come over here to this little garage entryway that has bathroom and a shower. Not a big shower, but a shower. Full-size laundry room. And right out here we have the garage, which would probably store your bikes and your fishing poles because you live so close to the lake. And then back out to the entryway and let's go check out upstairs. It is so big. Okay, just off the top of the stairs. Okay, this is the room I was talking about that could be a bedroom or an office. But this one has no closet, so it's technically not a bedroom, but you can make it a good workout room, a school room. This is our first bedroom upstairs with a closet. Then this is so good. Y'all look at this primary bedroom. Oh my gosh, it's so gorgeous. So beautiful. It's got this lovely sitting area. Then it's got a balcony. I would love having my morning coffee out here. Or my afternoon wine. Either one. Both. Love it. And then great big old bathroom with 2 sinks, separate shower and tub. Huge closet. And then back out. We will go see the other bedrooms. All right, that was bedroom number 2 upstairs. We're about to hit bedroom number 3 upstairs. Here we go. We've got our 3rd full bathroom right here. Hello. And our 4th bedroom upstairs. Okay, so we've got 4 bedrooms upstairs plus that flex room that could be a bedroom if you wanted it to, but it's technically not one because it doesn't have a closet. Then we've got the other one downstairs that is technically a bedroom, but we have it staged as an office because I just like the location of the office down there. You can use it for whatever you want it to use it as, and you could have 4 bedrooms with 2 flex spaces or 5 bedrooms or 6 bedrooms or whatever you want to do. It's got a huge house for all kinds of entertaining. Okay, let's recap this real quick. We've got 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, your own yard, your own garage, 2 living areas, 2 dining rooms, all of it for $385,000 in Fort Worth. You cannot beat this. I would love to show you this in person or talk to you about other homes in the area. My name is Debbie Bird with League Real Estate, and I will see y'all next time. Bye-bye.